Today we're diving into Newton's second law of motion. This fundamental principle, articulated by Isaac Newton, is crucial for understanding how objects move when forces are applied to them. Newton's second law states that the acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the force applied and inversely proportional to its mass. In simple terms, the more force you apply, the faster an object will accelerate, but heavier objects require more force to achieve the same acceleration. Mathematically, this law is expressed as F equals m times a, where F is the force, m is the mass, and a is the acceleration. This formula shows that acceleration is determined by the ratio of the force applied to the object's mass. Imagine pushing a car and a bicycle with the same force. The bicycle will accelerate more because it has less mass. This example illustrates Newton's second law. Lighter objects accelerate more readily than heavier ones under the same force. Newton's second law is essential for understanding motion dynamics. It explains everyday activities like pushing objects and complex phenomena like planetary orbits and rocket propulsion. This law is foundational in physics and engineering.